Hello everyone, this is Sara, your SPSS mentor, and I welcome you again to my channel. Now this video is the continuation of my previous video in which I showed you how to apply the test of normality. In this video, I will explain how to evaluate and read the SPSS output for the test of normality. So the first output table is case processing summary. As you remember, I had 88 responses in my data file, and this table shows that all of those responses were valid and there were no missing values in my data. So moving towards the second table, which is the descriptive statistics table. This table shows a complete and comprehensive descriptive of both variables, which were personal growth and grief rumination. So we can see we have mean value, standard error, median, variance, standard deviation, minimum and maximum values on the scale, range, interquartile range, and skewness and kurtosis. In this table, the most important things to be considered are skewness and kurtosis, and we can leave all of them for now as they're a part of descriptive analysis. So the third table, which is the most important table, is the test of normality table, which shows two normality tests applied. One is Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and the other is Shapiro-Wilk test. So the threshold for the test of normality is that if the value of significance is greater than 0.05, we say that the variable is normally distributed. Otherwise, if the value of significance is less than 0.05, we will say that the data is not normally distributed for this particular variable. So in this output file, you can see that the value of significance for personal growth for both these tests, KS and SW, it is 0.200, which is greater than 0.05, and 0.234, which is again greater than 0.05. So we will say that this variable is normally distributed. On the other hand, you can see that for grief rumination, the value of significance for both these normality tests is less than 0.05, which is 0.000. So we will say that this variable is not normally distributed. Now these things can be confirmed from the further results. You can see the histogram for personal growth. In the last table, we have decided on the basis of the value of significance that this variable is normally distributed. And the histogram also shows that this variable has a normal distribution because it has a bell-shaped curve. So moving towards the normal QQ plot for personal growth, you can see that we have a normal line, which is this straight line, and the data points fall on the line or near to this line. So this shows that the data for this variable is normally distributed. Moving towards the histogram for grief rumination, as we have already decided on the basis of significance value that this variable is not normally distributed. So you can see that this is not a normal curve. It has a long tail towards right. So this is skewed. Also, the normal QQ plot shows that the data points do not fall on the normal line. They are away from this normal line. So these figures have confirmed that the variable personal growth is normally distributed while grief rumination is not normally distributed. I hope you understand how to read the test of normality from the SPSS output. I will see you in the next video for something new. Stay tuned and take care. Thank you.